Shout out number one. Okay, talk first. Okay, hear me. Okay, here we go. Shout out number one went to Hey Twin. I ain't know you come here. FBP. And I'm paraphrasing. Forget being popular. That was number one. Number deuce was Miss Sugar. Rahel. Go check her out. Number three was Kristen and Jamil. My California love babies. Yes. Go check them out. Number four was Mommy and Me. And number five was Mukbang Mermaid. Y'all go check them out. Show them some love. Comment, like, and subscribe. Let them know VLenoir sent you. Okay?
Amen. Amen.
Drop the shower. Stretch the neck. Because you know, some of them make you get your fat neck. So you stretch the neck. Because you squeeze all the fat up. Elongate the neck. Let me get y'all up close there. Up close. Don't even freeze. I can't use my freeze jaw. Okay, that's good.
Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Video. Welcome back to another video. What? Video. Welcome back to another video. And on today, we have McDonald's, which I don't eat very often, if at all. I mainly like the breakfast, but I got a notification today that says the McRib was back today. And guess what, y'all? I've never had it. Ever. In life. Never had it. So I got the McRib right here. And I got their spicy barbecue tenders. And some fries to come with it. Because I got McRib in a combo. And I got a drink. Mickey D's. Let's put Mickey D's up there. So y'all can see. Mickey D's. Here's my straw. Well, I didn't get a drink. I got tea. I'm trying to stay off the carbonated. Even if it's diet. Trying to stay off of it, y'all. Trying not to get a Crystal Light. Trying to just flavor my water with like lemon and go back to the fruit infused waters and all that. So I thought I was gonna be out and about today and have to do a car mukbang. So since I got the notification, I said, let me just go ahead and do a review on that. And so I got it. But then apparently that was canceled. What I had to do was canceled, and we didn't know it was canceled until we got there. And so I was like, I'm still gonna do what I'm gonna do. So I'm doing it. And then, y'all, we got home. And I didn't have my house key. My sister wasn't here. So I said, I'm about to do this mukbang in the car. And we all loaded back up in the van. And my sister pulled up. And now I'm here. And we about to get it in. Yes, we is. Don't correct my English. I know I said yes, we is. But it's yes, we are. But yes, we is. I got some ranch. Raw roll for my wings. Ranch. McDonald's ranch. Some ranch. Some ranchy ranch. We're gonna sit right back here. Slap that on top of that box right there. Yeah, I'm gonna ketchup over here. I like some ketchup, so then reach across the food, y'all. Okay, first thing first, what we went there for. Let's try the McRib. So we're gonna try that. This is what it looks like, y'all. I know half of y'all, or most of y'all have already tried the McRib and had the McRib and all that. That's what it looks like on the inside with pickles and onion and barbecue sauce. It's messy. So let's try. Mmm. 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 I'm ear itch. Now, this is what I thought about the back rib previously. I said, that ain't no real meat. If I want the rib, I'm gonna cook my rib. That's what I'm gonna do. So I was never very interested in getting the McRib. It just looked like pressed meat, which is pretty much what it is. Butter raw. Butter raw. So I was just never interested in getting it. And when I heard people talk about it, either they loved it or they hated it. Now, my opinion of it, since I've had my first bite, you know what? Let me take another bite of it. Let me take another bite before I give my opinion. Let me take another bite. Let me get another bite. Okay, so my opinion of it is, it's alright. It ain't nothing more we'll get again. But it's alright. Look at these fries. Ketchup on it. Fries. So, yeah. That's how I feel about that. Let me see. I'm gonna dunk it in this ranch and see what it do. The ranch help it out. The onion and the pickle help it out. Okay. I'll see what I gotta do. I see. Now I asked for a 4-piece wing. He gave me about 7 individual pieces. I don't know what he charged for them. I haven't looked at my receipt yet. This is the spicy barbecue tender, for those of you who hadn't tried it. Yeah. I don't taste the spicy barbecue that much. And y'all, it really could be my taste buds. I'm gonna taste a bad stuff in just a second. I think if they had the sweetness in it and increased the heat, that would be good. Really good. It's not nasty. It's alright. that they have down pat. Here, bite this. Come here.
No, you're doing Atkins.
Come here.
Nope.
It's chicken.
Okay.
You actually do me. Something with the texture of it is off a little bit too. Yeah, I heard that. I knocked it over. It almost dripped on me. We're gonna get back into this McRib. Now I gotta put this ranch on it. Now let's see what it's doing. Let's see what it's doing. Let's see what it's doing. Don't you slip slide out of them. Y'all want another bite? Okay. That's exactly what it needed. This ain't my meal plan, but I do plan on intermittent fasting tomorrow. So, yeah. I'm gonna try to fast all the way back around till I film again tomorrow. But we'll see how they go. So hi guys, how are your day? How was your day? My day was, it was fairly good. I did a lot of laughing, I think. I know I did a lot of laughing. Nothing was really stressful today. Except for the system I work in, it kept glitching up and freezing up, and I wanted to throw my computer. Look at that. Mickey D's. When I get done with this, I have to go finish replying to comments and stuff. And watching videos. Hey, Antoine. I know you come here. Antoine know who he is. So, we're gonna say, can the real Antoine please stand up? Please stand up. Oh my gosh. So, I told my give him a shout out on this video, and I'm supposed to be doing 5. This is definitely one. I know I started writing them down, so I'm about to come off the top of that noggin. His page is, this is not his name, but this is somewhat like his name. Forget being popular. And I wanted to give him a shout out yesterday, but I couldn't figure out how to say his name and really say his name and give him props with it. Well, we're gonna go with that. So, hey, Antoine. I hope I'm saying that right. I know you come here. Hey. No. And then, the next person that popped in my mind is Miss Sugar. Of course, I put her name right here. That sister right there had me going. And sometimes, well, let me not say that. Sometimes at some places, when I can't listen to a video as loud as I want to, I can play some of y'all videos, especially like ASMR videos. Why you gotta really just interact or hear what you're saying? Y'all still getting y'all watch time. Her video though, every time I get to it, and on where I came, I have to click off of it and be like, nah, I have to watch you later, sister, when I can really get into it. So she did that banana and 2 times spicy. And she said she couldn't see and reading the bottom that it said NAACP. I could have died. No, I'm not gonna die. She had me cracking up though. So that's shout out number deuce. Third shout out that popped in my head, and I think I've shouted them out before, but gotta do it again. Kristen and Jamil, my favorite California love couple. Woo! I love those two right there. Woo! If y'all have not checked out these people's channels, go check them out. Go subscribe. Show some love. You will be truly blessed. And I am calling my from the top of my head. And I'm trying to think of videos that I watched. Let me see. Number 4. Number 4 has to go to and I hope I'm saying it right. Mommy and Me. I said it now. I'm not seeing the video, but I'm the name is what I'm saying. It's just jumping out to me. So guys, if God said it, let it be. Mommy and Me. You're number 4. Shout out to your sis. Yup. It's one that I want to shout out, but I don't know how to pronounce it. And I think it's in another language anyway. So, I have to shout them out on another video and do it to where I post it up. Instead of just calling names out. I have to do that. Then we got one more shout out. Shout it out from your head to your toes. Man, I got quite a couple. At first I couldn't think of now. Not everybody comes to my mind. I want to shout out and I try to pick out small, but I'm gonna shout this one out. This is for you. Mukbang Mermaid. If y'all have never seen her channel, I need y'all to go on up in the search bar. I'll be here. No, finish watching my video first, okay? Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Share this video with everybody you know, okay? You got a double account. Like it on that one too. All right? But now, after you finish this video, y'all can go check out everybody else. But I'm shouting it out. Mukbang Mermaid. That's all you gotta put in. She's gonna pop up. And when you see her, you gonna know that's her. I laughed so hard watching her. Oh my God. Her antics and her wig. Changing her hair. She was too funny. First time I watched it, I was like, what? What am I watching? And the more I watch, the funnier it got. She is so funny. She's so hilarious. She need her own little PBS show. So if you haven't already, go check them out. Let's recap it. My clip was in the beginning of my video as well. Shout out number one. Okay, talk first. Okay, hear me. Okay, here we go. Shout out number one went to Hey Twin. I didn't know you come here. FBP. And I'm paraphrasing. Forget being popular. That was number one. Number deuce was Miss Sugar. Rahel. Go check her out. Number three was Kristen and Jamil. My California love babies. Yes. Go check them out. Number four was Mommy and Me. And number five was Mukbang Mermaid. Y'all go check them out. Show them some love. Comment, like, and subscribe. Let them know VLenoir sent you. Okay? Alright. Show them some love. Now about this food right here, I'm almost done, as y'all can see. Ooh. I put that ranch on there. That ranch made it pretty delicious. That's gonna be that. Cause y'all know me and my wings, and I don't put my wings in it. McRib get a 6. The barbecue, spicy barbecue strips get a 6. Fries get an 8. The tea, I guess a 9. And we done. We're done. I'm gonna get off this thing here. I'm gonna get off. I'm gonna go. And I'm gonna get ready to go and edit and upload so I can go and comment and watch some videos. And some of y'all, I'm gonna tell you, I'm about to run out of videos for y'all. I have to slack up and watch them. And I have to remember that everybody don't post every day like I do. Which is nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that by no means. But what I'm saying is, y'all may not have... I'm going through them quicker than you're posting them. That's what I'm saying. So, yeah, well, it's not a bad thing. You're getting your watch time in. That's my way of giving back to you. I have somebody else I want to shout out on my next video. I need to go and find her and write her name down so I can remember on tomorrow. Okay, so yeah, y'all are getting y'all watch time in. Make sure I'm doing that. And that's all, folks. That's all, folks. No, he go bree bree bree. That's all, folks. That's it, y'all. I'm about to go. So, Until we meet again, same place, around the same time, may God bless you and keep you in perfect peace, y'all. Bye, guys. Smile. Give someone else a smile. Laugh before you lay your head down tonight. And know that God loves you and I love you.